wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pool cue racks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Outlaw Standard 6 pool cue is priced attractively and will serve the casual billiard hall or residence just fine. Installation is fast and simple, and it comes in several different wood finish colors, such as honey and chocolate. It's a little over a foot long, however the screws can't be concealed, and the plastic clips are flimsy. At number 9, conveniently store a large collection with the trademark Global 12 cue, a wall-mountable model featuring a natural wood finish and a two-piece construction. You'll need a few common tools to hang it, as well as plenty of space, since it's just over 2 feet long. It's easy to insert and remove sticks and is affordably priced, but the included screws are too short. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Alright, so the Q-Stix Q-Claw 5 cue holder isn't a rack per se, but if you simply don't have the room for another piece of furniture or don't want to mar your walls with screws, it might be just what you need. You can take it with you when you play outside the home too. It's weighted appropriately and can be used on windowsills. It comes in bright and neutral colors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cue racks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, it seems that the makers of the Fairview Game Room Signature have thought of everything, from lining the coaster in cork to packaging all of the necessary assembly tools with it. You can use the bottom shelf to keep all of your accessories in one place. It features 2 ball rack hooks and is available in several finishes, but it is pricier than most choices. Moving up our list to number 6. Whether you choose the antique walnut or rich mahogany, the Hathaway Classic will help you cultivate a sophisticated look with its clean, simple lines. It offers significant usability too, thanks to a 10 cue capacity and a ball rack hook. It includes limited warranty and is handcrafted from solid hardwood. However, the beverage holders seem small. Halfway up our list at number 5. Although the Izzy Billiards 6-stick wall rack isn't the sturdiest choice, it has an unembellished natural style that might make it a good option for those who don't play all that often, and those without small children who could bump into it. It's nearly 30 inches tall and won't break the budget, but putting it together is tricky. At number 4, the Izzy Billiards 8 cue has everything you could want in a stand, including 4 beverage pads and rubber rings in the holes to protect your cues. It's even got built-in score counters, so you can keep track of who's ahead. It's available in several elegant finishes and holds a full set of balls. However, it is on the shorter side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Stylistic simplicity is what you can expect from the Hathaway Vintage Wall Rack, which allows it to coordinate well with just about any type of game room. It's also plenty usable thanks to a hardwood construction and space for 8 cues. It's equipped with a practical ball rack hook and comes in mahogany or walnut finishes with all the mounting hardware. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cue racks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're in a space crunch or want some movability, you might take a look at the Ram Game Room Products 24-inch. It'll hold 6 cues in total, and if you're not handy, don't worry, it assembles with no trouble and doesn't need any installation. There are many color options to choose from, and it's heavy and won't tip over. You can place it in a corner or out in the open. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Rush Creek Creations Rustic Log has a charming hand-hewn look that will complement the country home, log cabin, or any outdoorsy decor. Made from real pine, it's sturdy and will be adorning your game room for years to come. It features a scratch-resistant finish and 4 drinks holders. The company offers matching furniture too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for pool cue racks, or simply click beneath this video.